The myth that solar panel installation damages roofs has been a significant deterrent for many homeowners. However, Alberta's leading solar experts confirm that not only is this concern unfounded, but solar panels can actually protect and preserve your roof. Here's how. Professional solar panel installations include thorough roof evaluations, ensuring that your roof is suitable and structurally sound. Expert installers use state-of-the-art mounting systems designed to shield your roof from the elements while keeping the panels securely in place. Once installed, solar panels act as a barrier against environmental wear and tear. They take the brunt of UV radiation, hail, and heavy snowfall, safeguarding the roof material beneath. Interestingly, solar panels can improve your home's energy efficiency not just by generating power, but by keeping your attic cooler, reducing summer energy costs even further. The financial barriers to solar energy are now lower than ever. With no upfront payment options and 0% financing available for qualified homeowners, the transition to solar is economically accessible. Interest-free loans allow you to invest in solar panels today without the burden of additional costs tomorrow. As electricity rates climb due to utility companies investing in their own solar transitions, homeowners are feeling the pinch. Your bills, laden with various fees, will continue indefinitely unless you act. By switching to solar, not only do you stop the endless cycle of payments, but you also add lasting value to your home. Waiting isn't wise when it comes to solar adoption in Alberta. The interest-free government loans are a time-sensitive opportunity. Missing this could mean paying interest to banks later on, an avoidable expense if you act promptly.